Hello everyone, Victoria is here, and in this video I would like to show you how you can install ConjureSDF if you are using Linux. First, you have to acquire ConjureSDF. There are two places for it. One is the Superhive website. The other one is the Gumroad website. And this product is supporting purchasing power parity, and since I am located in Hungary currently, I can get a 48% discount, which is really nice from the developer of this add-on. The other important thing, since this add-on is supporting only Blender 3.3, you have to get Blender 3.3 for this add-on. So go to the Blender.org website and click on the download link. And there is this LTS menu here. And if you scroll down, you can see the Blender 3.3 LTS. You click on it, you click on the download button, and you can download it via Linux. It downloads a tar file which you can extract and create a shortcut for the Blender app. I had created in the opt directory an op images directory, and usually I put all of my Blender versions here. So here is the extracted Blender 3.3 version, and you can make sure that the Blender is allowed to run as a program, and then you can just double click it or create a launcher icon for it. So the next step is launch Blender and go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and you can click on this Install button. I have the ConjureSDF 0.2.3.zip file here, and I can just select it and click on this Install Add-on button. But I don't click it now because I already have it installed. And now what you can do is, I highly recommend to check this Keep Primitive Scale button, because if ConjureSDF allows you to switch between primitives, so let's say you have a cylinder in your scene and then you wanted to make it a cube, you can switch it, but the add-on tries to keep the scale of the new cube similar to the cylinder you had before. And there are some tool options here, and install modern.gl. Modern.gl is required for converting the ConjureSDF object to mesh. However, what I found that in Linux, somehow if you close Blender and reopen it, then ConjureSDF forgets that this modern.gl has installed, so then just reinstall modern.gl if you want to convert the SDF to a mesh. It's not a problem. There is one more setting you have to do in order to make it the mesh conversion work under Linux. So you should go to the libper x86 underscore 64 dash Linux dash GNU, and you have to create a symlink libEGL.so to libEGL.so.1.1.0, because without this the modern GL will not going to work. And you have to do something similar with the libGL.so.1.7.0. You have to create a libGL.so symlink if you want to make sure that the modern GL has works. I didn't show this how to use it because you can do this via command line, you can do this via midnight commander, and probably there are some other options as well. And now after all of this setup, you can go to the CSDF tab here. There is some documentation links as well. You can click on this Conjure on Orb to Ponder button, which creates a ConjureSDF scene, and then it switches to render mode and it switches to Conjure Vision. And you can choose between different matcaps as well. I use this red one because I quite like it, but you can choose anything you like. And here is the scene structure. When you add a new ConjureSDF object, it appears in this list and also under this CSDF root. You can use world mirroring, flip direction, smooth mirroring, and there is this mesh conversion button. You can add bounds, and you can generate a high poly mesh if you wish to do so. And then you can click on clean up mesh chunks. Actually, I didn't use the word mirror. You can uncheck it and then clean up mesh chunks, but that's irrelevant. And now you can have this mesh chunk. You can safely delete this mirror in case you don't need it. We have a voxel remesh modifier, a smooth modifier. With the smoothing iteration value is this repeat value of this smooth modifier, and we have this decimate modifier, which the decimate ratio value is this ratio value in the decimate modifier. So I guess that was all for this real quick video. I hope you had learned something from it, and see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.